Looking to turn your skills into cash? Or maybe learn something new and monetize it? Welcome to the world of Fiverr. Today, we'll guide you through setting up a successful Fiverr profile and share tips to maximize your earnings. Hey there, future Fiverr superstar. Let's dive right in. 1. Setting up your profile. First impressions matter. Your profile is your personal brand on Fiverr. 1. Use a professional photo. 2. Write a clear and concise bio, highlighting your skills and experience. 3. Link any relevant portfolios or websites. 2. Creating your first gig. Your gig is the service you're offering. Think of it as your product on a digital shelf. 1. Choose a catchy title. 2. Set a competitive price. Research similar gigs to get an idea. 3. Describe your service in detail and set clear expectations. 4. Use high-quality images or videos to showcase your work. 3. Learning new skills. Not sure what to offer? Fiverr isn't just a marketplace, it's a learning platform too. Invest in courses on Fiverr Learn. From graphic design to digital marketing, there's a course for almost everything. And the best part? Once you've mastered a skill, you can start offering it as a service. 4. Tips for success. Now, let's talk about standing out and succeeding on Fiverr. 1. Always deliver on time. Punctuality builds trust. 2. Communicate clearly with clients. Use Fiverr's messaging system. 3. Ask for reviews. Positive feedback boosts your visibility. 4. Stay updated with market trends and adjust your offerings accordingly. 5. Easiest way to succeed. The real secret. Consistency. Like any platform, success on Fiverr doesn't come overnight. Regularly update your gigs, respond to clients promptly, and always be on the lookout for new skills to learn and offer. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Dive into Fiverr, start offering your skills, and watch as opportunities unfold. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Share your Fiverr journey in the comments below.